Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and like before, today I am Preeti, your travel guide. Will take you to such a place, seeing that you will be very happy as well as get some information which will be very helpful for students. Okay guys, so if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it now, because I always keep bringing this type of knowledgeable and traveling videos for you. So guys, today you are going to witness the convocation ceremony of NIT Rourkela, which is a premier engineering, science and technological institution, as well as the pride of Odisha state. So guys, I am showing you the outer view of this institution. As you can see guys, the entire institute is being decorated like a bride. Today is 13th of August 2022 and it is the 19th Annual Convocation ceremony, and it will be inaugurated by our Honorable Union Minister of Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. And do you know guys, near about 1555 students graduated in 2021 will get their digital degree certificate through blockchain technology in this convocation ceremony. Showing you the outer view of the auditorium and the institution, and you can imagine by looking at this decoration how gorgeous the ceremony would be. Guys, it's time to depart, and guys, I will very shortly bring a new and knowledgeable video for you people. And please, if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, press the bell and hit the like button. And friends, if you are watching this on Facebook, then don't forget to follow me at there, and also press the like button at there. So guys, this much for today, and very soon we will meet again. Until then, bye bye.